All right, let's solve this question together. Now, when you are given a raised to 2 minus b raised to 2 is the same as a plus b, a minus b. So this one is difference of two squares. Okay, now let's observe the question very well. We are given x raised to 203 minus 2 squared. So we can write this one as x raised to 103 or squared. Now in going back, these two multiply the 103, making this minus 2 squared equals 0. So we have something minus something squared minus something squared. So we have x raised to 103 minus 2, x raised to 103 plus 2. Okay, therefore x raised to 103 minus 2 equals 0. So x raised to 103 equals 2. So multiply each power by 3. So this side will go x is 8. And x raised to equals, plus 2 equal to 0. X raised to 103 equals minus 2. Alright, so raise both sides by 3, so this side will be x raised to minus 2 to the power 3. So this one will be minus 8. Alright, so that's that.